Hey guys, Dr. Rafi is interrupting me during my interview.
Bye.
Okay, so I just had my treatment with Dr. Rafi. It was really amazing. The staff is really great. It's so busy in here, which is always a good thing. I feel a lot of relief, and I'm really glad I let him adjust my neck the way that he did, even though it's freaked me out for a long time. But hopefully, after another treatment, I'm able to go back into Pilates and do my workouts because, it's part of my life and it's miserable right now that I can't do it. So yeah, I'll be getting treatments very often so that I can continue doing the things that I need to do. So thank you, Rafi.